I too am in isolation. That's Israel's Public Security Minister Amir Ohana, taking to Facebook to announce his entrance into quarantine after the head of the border police, Nitzav Shabtai, tested positive for coronavirus. Israel seeing daily infection numbers surge beyond 1,000 just over the Sabbath, bringing the total number beyond 29,300, plus 4 new deaths just on Saturday, bringing the total fatalities to 330. Ohana, who oversees the police, saying starting Sunday, thousands of officers will only deal with the enforcement of the novel virus. Today we are at a crossroads, he says, warning that the virus will spread out of control, prompting full closures and tremendous damage to the economy. Or, he says, we take responsibility for our lives. Ohana referring to the new restrictions to event halls and public gatherings. Indoor events will be limited to 50 people, down from 250, and social gatherings will be limited to 20. President Reuven Rivlin, Defence Minister Benny Gantz, and IDF Chief of Staff Aviv Kochavi will not need to enter quarantine despite attending the Thursday ceremony at Jerusalem's Mount Herzl, commemorating 6 years since Operation Protective Edge, in which Shabtai was in attendance. The Health Ministry's guidelines say that isolation is needed if you've been within 2 metres of an infected person for 15 minutes or more. The ministry Saturday saying an epidemiological investigation ruled out the need for the top officials to isolate. Despite Ohana's negative result, he says he's choosing to quarantine just to be on the safe side. Meantime, scuffles breaking out between protesters and police in Jerusalem's Ma'ale Adumim, with officers attempting to enforce mask wearing in the ultra-Orthodox neighbourhood. 2 people were arrested after fighting erupted when police went to write a ticket for a woman refusing to put on her mask. $58 or 200 shekel fines is the current penalty for not wearing the protective face covering, with lawmakers looking to raise the charge to 500 shekels or $145. And in Palestinian areas, 12 deaths have been reported since the start of the pandemic, most of those taking place in the past 2 weeks. Infection rates are climbing in the cities of Hebron and Bethlehem. The Palestinian Authority Health Ministry reporting some 528 new infections over Saturday and enforcing a 5-day lockdown across the West Bank Friday.